everyone, this is Jin in Brazil, and today we'll be going in this museum in Ontario, and we're gonna see what's cool about it. Now let's go.
And guys, also, you might not hear us because of mask.
Yeah, I don't know if we need to wear masks here. I don't know. Let's go. All right, everyone. Let's start with the dinosaurs. It's a big dinosaur. I think it's a T-Rex.
No, it's a Dinosaurs. No, it's a T-Rex. Is this real?
Guys, look. This is how birds looked like a really long time ago, and now they look like this. Alright. Guys, this is a fake dinosaur. This one's a Carnosaurus. Carnosaurus.
These are the real ones. These are the real ones. I can't believe they're real.
This is a Coryphosaurus, and it used to be food for bigger dinosaurs.
How is it in that position? What is that? What is this one?
This one is an Amontosaurus. Guys, this is a turtle. This is how big turtles were like millions of
Are
years
those
ago.
real eggs? Are those real eggs?
Look at the turtle. It's a really big turtle. This is a Savactinus, and it was one of the biggest fish ever to exist. And they used to live in this area. They used to live in the ocean. All of this North America was all covered with water, and there was a lot of creatures there. The long one right there is a Plesiosaurus, and the small one right there is an ancestor of the Mosasaurus. So guys, these are statues of dinosaurs.
They used to move. Imagine face to face to this, bro. They used to move. Like this.
So guys, now we're underneath the T-Rex butthole.
Imagine this was real.
That's how it used to look like. A giant piece of flesh hanging out. I don't know how they poop, but let's continue.
Guys, when we're gonna be finished with this, we're gonna go to a hotel. We'll explore.
Let's go.
These guys used to move. I remember they always moved. Oh, this is the cinema. That's not open. Is it open? No. I don't.
So guys, this section right here is how the whales from today evolved. They started with small mammals, and then they got used. They went in the water so much, and then they evolved.
That's it.
That's how it used to be, like millions of
It looks
years ago.
ugly. It looks like a.
These
a
are
dog.
ancestors of whales, and then they became like this big.
Mosasaurus.
No, they didn't become mosasaurs. And then they became so big that they had teeth, and they would hunt animals down. Okay, ancient whales used to hunt down things.
Guys, this was them after. Look, guys. Wait. This was them after that one, and
Then this one did that one. So
That would
wheels
kill
evolve
me.
Like this, evolved
that would
from
kill us.
animals to like killing machines.
Oh, look at that! Is that a real skeleton? Is it?
I think it's a chupacabra.
It's a real one. What's a chupacabra?
I think it's a sloth. It's a sloth.
From Madagascar.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lemur from Madagascar.
Lemurs used to exist with dinosaurs, but they were isolated on Madagascar, so that's how they survived, and that's how they are alive today.
I think.
What is this?
Oh, dead wolf.
Oh, these are real.
Oh, it's a
Soft-shell turtle.
Yeah, soft-shell turtle. Are these real?
No, they're not.
They look like tree logs.
So guys, these are ancient horses, and this is how they used to look like.
Wow, they're so small. How people ride them?
Well, they were people. These were like little dogs or something like that.
No.
They were like midget horses.
Guys, that's a real body. This stuff they were fluffing. Oh, it's not.
Alright, let's go. So guys, this is some parts of the Ankylosaurus, and these are like the horns, and this is the heart.
It's real.
This is the heart right here.
How was it not? Oh my God, it's like rock.
And this is the skull.
It's really cool. Ankylosaurus. But that doesn't look real. But these are what they look like. An example.
Look guys, these are turtle shells.
Turtles used to be big like that before.
They would eat me. With everyone. Yeah.
What is this? Oh, long-tail soft-shell turtle, right? Isn't that one? Yeah, that's a soft-shell turtle.
Yeah.
And this,
Like an alligator or something.
this is Gerald. Where did Gerald came from?
This is a really cool museum.
Look at this
Guys, look.
Dinosaurs.
I think it's a, I don't know what it is. That the Triceratops or the giant horn.
I mean, no, that's a Triceratops.
That's a Triceratops.
It's not a Stegosaurus.
Guys, this is a Triceratops.
It's so scary to us.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Wonder what it feels like. I'm not allowed to touch this, but I wish I could.
I was continue.
Gerald Jeffrey Smith. Gerald Jeffrey Smith.
Alright guys, so now we're in the Arctic, the next level, and these are all of the animals in Canada.
Look at the Magic Man. Wait, are these real bodies?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, I feel so bad for the kids. Why did
But
you
they
kill
were-
them?
Yeah, look at that. This is how polar bears hunt in the wild.
Before we can stick our head in there.
Yeah. Look, this is, they used to eat seals, sea lions or something like that.
Protector.
They still do.
Guys, we could have stuck our head in there. We could have been a cell like Jeffrey. I wish I could be a cell like
This
Jeffrey.
is really cool. These are Canadian beavers, and they're pretty big.
That one looks
These ones are
big.
real and they were cremated.
Look, that one on the back looks like a small one.
These are pretty big.
That looks so scary.
It's kind of cool actually. I didn't know they grew that big. I thought they grew like this big, but I didn't know they grow that big. There's bears.
Guys, it's a porcupine thing. There's spikes. Look. Jaden, come look. It's a porcupine.
Guys, these are grizzly bears. And they hunt people and they eat like deer and rabbits and all kinds of stuff.
Gerald and Jeffrey.
These are like, they live in the mountains, these bears.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Guys, these are
Reindeers.
reindeers.
Oh, they're so cute. But
There's some all around Canada.
maybe we sell so much.
Yeah, it's really cool. Guys, these are big wolves.
Those are Teddy's ancestors.
Yeah. And there's a giant bison.
Who you think will win?
Fight these two or that two?
I don't know.
They're both really cool.
I wish I could have one. They're so pretty. I want to hug and kiss it.
Yeah. So this is a cougar, and it's one of the largest cats in Canada, and it lives in Vancouver and British Columbia.
Looks ugly.
It's called a mountain lion. Look at this dude.
Look at the top of his head.
I just can't believe animals this big could survive here in Canada. I just don't
But
understand.
they have fur. They have a lot
Oh,
of
in
fur.
the other countries it's warm, and then animals can get big how at once. And over here they could like stay at like this size and still able to survive the dark winter.
Okay.
Guys, this is the insect room and the bird room, and there's birds from all around the world. These are all the animals that live in Canada and
That's
all
nice.
Around
around the world. So these insects are from all around the world.
That's a really nice one. What is that?
Freaking like dragonflies,
Oh,
beetles,
ew, a scorpion.
scorpions, whatever this thing is.
Oh, tarantula.
That's not tarantula.
Yeah, that is.
Tarantula get bigger than that.
Yeah, but it's a baby.
What is this?
Oh.
I think these are they are cockroaches. Ew.
Guys, come.
Guys, cockroaches is the worst thing you could ever have. If I see that thing, I feed it to my turtle. What's that? Guys, come check this out. It's freaking like one of those. What is this? Oh, these are like from Africa. Foreign beetles. Foreign beetles. Oh, they're beetles. Oh, okay.
These are hermit crabs. Yeah, these are snails. These are snails.
Well, snails are not that bad.
I
They're
know.
cool.
You can hold them from their shell and oh, there's one there.
There's like 3 of them.
Snails are not bad. Like you can just hold them from their shell. They're not gonna kill you. These are crickets. No. This is grasshoppers. Holy sh! What are those? That's it.
What is that? It's like it's a stick.
It's the stick. It's the stick. A stick insect.
It's just called stick. It's a stick insect. Well, this is possibly pretty.
What is that?
What is it?
warm.
Mini worm. There's many maggots, and there's other creatures. Oh, there's a,
What's
they're
on the
eating.
other side? Just rocks.
Oh, they can come in here. See the chinchilla?
So guys, I don't know what this insect is, but
Stick insect.
I'll just call it stick insect. And they look really cool. Guys, these are tarantulas.
Right here. They're so pretty. They're so cute. What are these mean spiders?
No.
These mean spiders? What the hell?
Guys, I don't know what it is. Malacia. Oh my god.
Guys, I found a really big insect.
That's your worst nightmare.
That's the worst.
Is there like any mentors? What? Oh, what is that? Look at it. It's pretty big. What? It's like the same thing as the other guns.
Guys.
Oh, these are millipedes.
No.
Yeah, they are. Look.
Millipedes. That's in English?
You know, one time. Guys, you know millipedes like a really long time ago used to be the size of cars?
It's little beetles.
Guys, these are little beetles.
They look weird. Oh, I can't wait to go swimming.
I'll be right with you. I just want
See how many turkey I weigh.
Me too. Tree. Okay, my turn.
I weigh like 3 or 4 turkeys.
Okay.
Oh my god, Nana. That's like 7.
No. Tree. Okay, that goes.
Let's see how much my dad weighs.
10,
10, 9, 10.
9, 10. Wait,
Like 9 turkeys.
9 or 10. It's 10. No, 9.
They're like,
8.
like 10,000 hummingbirds. Or 20,000
Okay, let's continue.
So guys, these are turkey vultures, and they eat dead deers.
There's a.
Dead deers.
There's a. Wait, what is those called again? I forgot. But there's that thing over there. I
And
forgot.
these are normal turkeys, and we find them a lot here. in
There's a
Orlando.
damn owl. Oh, that's so scary.
This is an eagle.
1914, the last.
This is Midget Man.
This is midget eagle.
No, that's
I
a
mean,
chick.
it's a baby eagle.
That's a chicken.
Eagle. Guys, look. There's a swan. These guys are geese, and that's a swan.
Guys, I saw something.
Look, those are eagles, and there's like owls, there's a I don't know what is that thing.
Guys, I saw something.
I think these are like the biggest birds ever. I don't know.
Those are really dangerous.
Those are really dangerous. It kills people. So this is the Arctic of Canada. This is like the Arctic.
What the hell is this?
Guys, you know that the giant piece of ice, like the giant island on top of Canada, well, that's called Greenland. And this is what lives there.
Bird known for its iconic color. The northern, white, and yellow. Here's the bird.
Guys, this is the top level, so we're like all the way at the top. Oh, these are spears. Guys, this is a giant mammoth skull they found in Yukon in Canada. Yukon, Canada. This is over 20,000 years old.
20,000.
What is this? There's a guys, look. It's a giant like camel.
Oh, wait, these are
camels. Look. They're like ancient camels. Look, they're the normal camels, the black one, and then the gray one is like the ancient camel. That, I don't know what the hell is that. It's an otter. Guys, it's an otter actually.
Guys, how cute it is. I would love to have one as a pet. They're so pretty.
You're gonna see. Guys, if you go to Alaska, that's what you're gonna see.
They're gonna kill you.
So run for your life.
Oh, is this a person?
This is a whale's like head, like at the back of his head.
Doll.
It's like a skull. It's a part of his head.
This is made out of this is fur. And this and that. That's mean.
I don't think that's 20,000 years ago. Anyways.
This is so cute. This is how owls give birth. That's a nest and those are the babies. And the mama stays with them. Cute. There's an aquarium. There's an aquarium. Guys, everything that's in here, it's real. It's alive.
Look, this is real, that's real.
It's alive, right?
There's a starfish there.
Yeah, these are alive stuff.
Oh, there's a fish!
Holy moly.
Oh my god, I didn't know it was like a rock. I didn't know it was there. What's it eating?
Poor guy.
Oh, what is that?
Is he gonna die or something, or is he just keeping him like at home? He's breeding. What is he doing, guys? Oh, maybe he doesn't want to be filmed.
Okay, so this is going to be the last one, and we're going to go see the marine animals, and it's from the St. Clorid River. So they found all these animals there.
And over there's the moon.
Guys, this is a giant whale. This whale is a blue whale, and it's one of the largest animals on the planet.
Guys, it's the planet. Some of them know that. Ew.
This is the ugliest fish I've ever seen. This is so ugly.
That's definitely plastic. Oh, it's
Look, it's
real.
real.
It's real.
Ew. Look. Oh, guys, look. This is how
Oh, I
big.
love this part.
This is a blue whale. This is how big is a human being. This side. What is this? I don't know.
An octopus.
Oh,
It's a squid thing.
It's It's
A calamari.
Colossal squid,
A
right?
colossal squid.
colossal squid. That's it. That's what it is.
And this-
That's how big it is.
This
This
is
is
a whale shark.
a whale shark.
And this is a midget person.
Yeah.
And this is a midget person too.
Oh, this is
What the hell?
Oh, look, there's a picture of a short how they do it. Guys, look at that. There's like a look at how they made this thing. So this whale, they found it dead in the ocean, and they clean all the skin and all that stuff, and they put it here, and it's a really big whale.
Oh, that's a
I just can't believe how big is this. Wow.
What is that? Yeah, what is that? Please tell me somebody.
I'm telling you, this is the ocean. This is what this is in the ocean.
Oh,
This thing goes through it.
I used to love this one. It was the best one ever.
Yeah, I used to love going here, guys. Look, this is like a submarine. Guys, these are jellyfish.
It's a turtle.
Big turtle.
Was this real?
Yeah, these are like the ones that are alive today.
Freaking reminder. These are the big turtles that we saw in the past. Are these the turtles that we saw like downstairs?
They're bigger than that, the other Guys, there's a giant, humongous aquarium, and there's some fish from here to Canada.
Yeah, the coffee's like yeah, there's a sunfish.
These are sunfish, guys.
Look at the sunfish.
These are sunfish. This is
It's a big sword.
no, that's partial. This is what's it?
There's catfish in it.
That's wait.
Perch.
There's bass. There's largemouth bass. There's yellow perch. Not a yellow perch. There's catfish. What is this? I forgot what it was.
Guys, there's a turtle.
Oh, what is this? I forgot what it was.
Guys,
Wait, then I do remember this. Guys, this one right here is a carp, and they grow really, really big.
also,
And in Florida,
Yeah,
they
yes.
use these. People eat these.
yesterday was my birthday. And then tomorrow we're gonna try to find baby turtles.
Yeah. This is a really cool aquarium. There's so many kinds of fish here. It's just unimaginable.
It's a damn turtle.
These are turtles.
That's a real turtle.
Wait, what's it called again? A curve. Wait, I'm
Poultry.
looking.
Spot turtle.
Guys,
It's a spot turtle.
our hunt for turtles is gonna be on my YouTube channel tomorrow. Yay!
So guys, this is lampreys, and lampreys are an invasive species in Canada, and they suck blood out of fish.
So are they killing it?
These come from the ocean. They migrate all the way to Canada.
Are these real or fake?
These are fake.
Oh, they're real.
There's catfish. There's a turtle. I think these are red ear.
No, yellow. It's yellow here.
Yellowish.
That's a freaking pike.
These are pike, and they grow bigger than that.
Oh, there's an apple.
Look, guys, this is like underneath. It's like all the snow in the winter, and this is what are underneath.
There's minnows. We
This-
caught him. We caught that one already.
This is a trout, and we caught that, and we ate one of them. And there's frogs.
and a turtle.
There's like a snake underneath. Look, there's a snake or something. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a root. And this is largemouth bass. We have these in Canada and the U.S. and they eat everything.
They're eating a frog. There's a frog up there eating a fly.
And this is how big Canadian salmon get.
Only 50 feet.
No, I'm joking. Like feet. 6. No. And this is the back of that big aquarium. There's a whole kinds of different animals in fish. Sunfish.
Gosh, the catfish are
Yellow
good
perch.
hiders.
Rock bass. Rock bass. I don't know what it is.
What is that?
Crayfish. Catfish. This thing.
There's something weird over there.
It's a yellow fish. So guys, this is going to be the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and you should like and subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.
Next video will be on my channel.